Alright, in this video I'll show you few things about org mode, Emacs org mode, which are very day-to-day stuff. Every one of them you people are using. I thought to give you some sort of reminder. Those who don't know it, they'll come to know it. Those who use it infrequently, they'll come to know about it. Okay, those I have just opened up org buffer, and I want to insert some text or piece of code which is reside inside another file, and the content of that file I want to embed it on this org buffer. Or if in this org buffer, say you are writing some document or writing some source code, but you want to import some code or text which resides on some other file which you directly want to embed it here, not included, embedded on this buffer. So for instance, if I open up my register and take so this is a bash source code. You can have it in the bottom line is to insert the text or source from other file. Okay, all you have to do, Control XI, which will give you an insert mode. Go here and then quick. Okay, I'm just selecting see the content of that particular file what I have chosen by pressing Control XI. Okay, the file I have chosen, the content of that file get embedded on this org buffer. Right, it's super easy, super convenient. Okay, the next one is, so it is even more common to insert a link in your org file. All you have to do, Control C, Control L. Okay, it will prompting you. If you haven't copied the URL in your clipboard already, because I haven't done so, so I am using just putting it by hand, right? Now it is asking me for the description of the link. See, it has created a link to my blog or whatever that takes. If I press enter, it will open up in my default browser. Right, it will go to my whatever the site you mentioned. Right, simple. So, and the third thing is that, say for instance, if you want to embed an image, right, for that the command is pretty long, so I keep forgetting, so I'll put it in another buffer just for the sake of my reminder. Here it is. So Control U, Control C, Control L, and if you go here and select any of, I said father of computer, whatever type you say, and if you type it will create a link again, like link. But the thing is that it will show, if you do, again I have to go back to that buffer to see that command. Okay, I have to do Control C, Control X, Control V. Oh, I have to press enter then. See, it show me the show me the image which I have embedded with that. Okay, so to clarify all this stuff, okay, so this is the command you need to press, or you can make it an because it's a long command, you can make it an abbreviation in your .emacs file to call this particular command. Control U, Control C, Control L, it will prompt you for the image. Okay, then if you want, and it will create a link like this. Okay, and if you press Control C, Control X, Control V, you will see the images. Okay, so it will show you the images. If I press enter, in my case, it will open the image in another buffer. In your case, it will be different, right? So it's very convenient. So I thought these things will be useful to somebody. Embed the content of other file into a org buffer. All you have to do, Control XI, it will ask you to insert the file name. Once you insert the file name, it will embed the content of that particular file here in org buffer. In this case, I chose to embed a source code. It could be text, it could be anything else. Okay, the second thing is the link, which you have to do if you want to embed a link of a particular website. All you have to do, Control C, Control L, which will allow you or prompt you to put the link, and after that it will ask you to put a description which is like this. The description text will come here with the underlink, so it will be a hyperlink text, right? So this is the way you can enter link inside the org buffer. Okay, so and for inserting an image, all you have to do, you have to press the command I showed to you. Let me all you have to do, Control U, Control C, Control L, it will give you it will prompt you to select the image file. Once you select it, it will also ask you for the description. Once you select the description will become hyperlink with the embedded image on it. Okay, to see the image, all you have to do, Control C, Control X, Control V to display the image. Okay, here all my links are open with enter. If I press enter, I can see. In your case, if you open the image, it will use that particular command. Sorry, I keep forgetting that long command, I can't remember, so I have to refer back. So you have to press Control C, Control X, Control V. Okay, so it's better to, I rarely use it, but I'm planning to abbreviate it in my .emacs file, so I don't have to remember all this stuff. Okay, or if you can remember, like if we do Control C, Control X, does it show you anything? Okay, so it is basically difficult for me at least. So I prefer to get some sort of reminder before recording this video. That's why I put up these two commands in specific buffer so I can refer back instead of scratching my head to find out and remember all this stuff. So the basic idea is to that you can use this facility to enhance your org mode utilization, right? I hope this will be useful to some people. Okay, thanks for watching.